careful.
I can't go over those steps.
Well, why don't you gently push backwards?
Gabe.
Gabe!
Jeez! Look, I can't pull him. It's too heavy.
He's too heavy now? Are you just gonna abandon him?
I'm letting Molly do the pond.
Okay. Hi, Gabe.
Jeez!
Hi, Owen. Are you stuck in there now?
I'm stuck.
You got in and you can't get out?
I'm stuck.
Oh, there you go. Maybe Daddy will help you out.
I don't know where it is.
Oh, you're helping him?
I know some.
Oh, and pulling on his shirt doesn't count as helping.
I know some. I know some.
Baby, sit down. Whee! You want to get out now?
Why you want to get out?
Gabe.